Um, Good afternoon, guys. Thanks for joining. So, um, 15 minutes time frame में क्या हो रहा अभी ये वाला right? So we shall get rid of this. Also, ये तो छोड़ दो. Okay, good. After a trending trade, it has given us a breakout and trying to sustain above this. So we have taken one trade here. इसमें book किया. We booked some profits there. ठीक है. Right. चलो नहीं BTST तो अभी नहीं है. गैप अप ओपन होगा पता नहीं. आई डोंट नो. आई डोंट नो. मैं तो खाली देख रहा हूँ अभी. सो लेट्स सी. निफ्टी में क्या हलचल है भाई. निफ्टी आल्सो ब्रेक आउट and then sustaining. Hopefully, if it is not a W pattern, if it is not a double top, we should see another move on the upside. Okay. थोड़ा इसके लिए वेट कर लो. Okay. DVS Lab, we have been, breaking it, or we have been following this until 3713. From 3713, now it is around 3800. So we are planning to book now. We are planning to book these profits now. Okay. Jatin, any adjustments require? What adjustments? I didn't understand. Sorry. Where adjustments? Adjustments where? Okay, so I'm still waiting. No new trades. नया ट्रेड्स तो लेने का फायदा नहीं है अभी. लेने का फायदा नहीं है. नो ट्रेड्स ऑन दी पुट साइड और कॉल साइड नाउ. सो if it is actually forming a W pattern here, we'll take a put side position. Short scalping trade लेंगे हम. Okay, we'll take a short scalping trade here below this. Above this, we'll take one long position. Okay. So anything that is of your choice, right? इसका नीचे let's wait. इसका नीचे you can try some scalping trade, guys. You can try a scalping trade below this. Okay, probably with a smaller stop loss. Try with a target of this 60 points of target. But yeah, scalping trade only. This will be a scalping trade. Remember. Okay. You can try a scalping trade below that. It's about 3808. Okay. Okay. हो सकता है कि this can activate only 24 points of stop loss. 24 points of stop loss इसमें. Okay. बैंक निफ्टी में भी डबल टॉप बनने का चांसेस है. देर आर चांसेस. सो केयरफुली समवेयर हियर. So here, what is the ट्रेंड लाइन टारगेट तो होगा समवेयर 557, some 40 points is huge. Okay, so let's see on the put side here, it is going to be here. $10-12.1 is to 1 ratio. If it is breaking here, if it is actually giving us a breakdown, we can take an entry, and then that is 1 is to 1 ratio mostly. Okay. Wow. If it is breaking on the upside, we'll take a call option and go long for this target. Okay. If it is breaking on the upside. So इसके लिए हम थोड़ा वेट करना है. We'll have to wait. 16,500 CE short किया आप. Okay. I gave you the SL, right? 40% SL maintain कर लो बोल के. Maintain 40% SL. Still waiting, no entry here at. Okay. And we'll take a call option above this. Okay. Oh, sorry. Call option, right? So probably we'll plot this somewhere here. Let it close above that. And no doubt the SL is going to be little huge here. Okay. SL भी बड़ा होगा. Somewhere here. Okay. That's going to be SL. See, this is going to be your entry zone, guys, on the long side. Okay. And SL is huge. I know SL is heavy. Target is also heavy. Remember. And on the short side, we will have to wait for this zone to come in, then we'll take an entry on the downside. Okay. All right. Telegram. 1 second, guys. क्या हुआ भाई? So there are 16,500 call sell किया आप, 16,500 put sell किया आप. Okay. Why did you hold it for 149 तक? I can't tell you anything now, Jatin bhai. You already missed it. I told you 40% SL. You did not put the SL. मैं क्या करूं अभी? अभी थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा. अभी SL बोले तो SL रखना है भाई. So you asked me, I gave you an SL. तो आप SL फॉलो नहीं करे तो मैं क्या करूं? Okay. Good afternoon, SP. Good afternoon. Welcome. Hey, Suma. My goodness. ये तो जा रहा भाई. चाहते रहते शायद. took 36,800. अभी तो ऊपर जा रहा. Why you want to take risk? This is Bank Nifty shooting up. Why you want to take put now? So let's see. Let's see. I mean, it has given us a breakout here and is sustaining above this level. So I am not interested in taking a put option now, at least. निफ्टी तो मूवमेंट तो अच्छा दे रहा भाई. ये तो ब्रेकआउट भी दिया. सो 1 आवर में देखेंगे अभी. 16,662 होगा नेक्स्ट टारगेट इन निफ्टी. ओके, निफ्टी में 16,662 होगा टारगेट. दिस कैन बी योर टारगेट. सो रिमूव दिस इज नॉट एक्टिव. तो ये तो छोड़ देंगे. Those who want to try can try it above this candle, like above this wick. Target is here and stop loss is here. ठीक है, 31 points of stop loss, 48 points of target. Okay, 31 points of stop loss and 48 points of target, guys. Divis Lab also, I am trying to check if I can exit or hold it. Probably I'll hold it until this zone and then exit. Okay. Okay. Fully one side. हाँ हाँ. Oh yeah. That's how it is. होता कभी कभी होता. That's how it is. Normally, you know, always remember, flat openings are very dangerous. Flat openings are very, very dangerous. Sometimes when you see a flat opening in the morning, you might see suddenly it might go up and falls very drastically, or can open little gap down flat bearish and can shoot up drastically, right? So flat openings are very, very dangerous. Remember, all the time. You, if you actually want to check it also on a 1 hour time frame also. Look at this. Guys. It was a almost like a flat opening. You look at this. It is not a great high opening. It is like 500. Where is this? No, not this. This one I'm talking about. Sorry. Right. So this one. This was a flat opening, right? So sudden fall, and then today also it was a flat opening, and then shooting up. So that's how it is going to. Most of the flat openings are very, very trendy markets. Most of the times flat openings are trendy markets. Here, trendy. Look at any flat openings, that you see. Most of the times, देखो a flat opening done. So always remember, flat openings. Don't think flat opening तो profit नहीं देगा बोल के. No, it is not that. ये तो अच्छा देगा, प्रॉफिट ईच देगा वो. Okay, I did not lose. निफ्टी तो टारगेट भी दिया मैं, ये वाला, दिस वन, बट इट हैज टू सस्टेन and then it will give you a target of 662 or 663 if it sustains above this. Okay, so maybe it isn't closed. Okay, I'm still waiting. Let's wait. बैंक निफ्टी निफ्टी दोनों टारगेट के लिए वेट कर रहा हूँ मैं. लेट्स सी. मोस्ट प्रॉबेबली देगा या नहीं है तो नहीं इसको. I took early entry after a break 16,000. Okay. Huh? After break of 16,000. 16,000 कब break किया भाई? 16,000 is in today, right? Is that a positional trade? Did you take it few days back? I mean, okay. 16,600 ठीक है चलेगा. 16,600 भी चलेगा. But go with the stop loss guys. Remember, always play with your stop losses. Don't ever think that ये तो ज़रूर ऊपर जाएगा बोल के. So हो सकता है कि कभी कभी you know FIS can come in and completely short the market. Can happen. So please play with your levels carefully. It has to be with a good stop loss and target. Without that, don't try it. Without a stop loss, don't try your targets. Waiting, still waiting, guys. No entry yet. I want that to sustain properly. Otherwise it will be a trap sometimes. So I don't want to take that trap. Mostly looking bullish, but it is consolidating, guys. It is consolidating, but I would say okay. एक काम कर लो भाई. Only risky वाला ले लो भाई. Only risky traders take this. Okay. Only risky take it. Only risky वालों के लिए ये trade. Because it is consolidating for past 10 minutes almost at least here. So not looking good. But हो सकता है कि suddenly it can shoot up or can suddenly come down. So इसीलिए I would say please be careful. Okay. So entry तो नहीं हुआ, but if it gets activated, risky वालों ले सकते हैं आप. You can try if you want, but otherwise I don't think this is going to be one way now. Let's wait. I'm going to wait for some more time before taking a trade. I will wait for some more time because ये तो activate ही नहीं हुआ, so I'm not interested in taking it. अभी थोड़ा increase कर देता हूँ entry because it is consolidating, guys. I can't give you a position without a retest properly. Without a retest, no entry. Okay. Or it will be DK. Yeah, हो सकता है. Option selling out of the money, you can try option selling, guys. So those who want. But others, at the money buying के लिए it is risky because the DK मिलेगा. कल के लिए I would say don't hold. Tomorrow is a Thursday expiry day and weekly expiry and monthly expiry भी. So it's going to be risky. आप मत hold करना please. Most of the monthly expiries are bearish. Most of the monthly expiries, if you remember, monthly expiries तो bearish दिखेगा most of the times. Most of the times, I'm not saying all of them. Most of the times, monthly expiries are bearish. Mm-hmm. क्या बनेगा अभी this okay 1.5 hour trading time. थोड़ा स्कैल्पिंग पुट साइड स्कैल्पिंग कर सकते हैं इसका नीचे, इसके नीचे यू कैन ट्राई a scalping trade below that. स्मॉल स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड, वेरी स्मॉल स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड कर सकते हैं आप, प्रॉब्ली समवेयर हियर. स्मॉल स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड सम 20-30 पॉइंट, 20 पॉइंट्स मिलेगा वो निफ्टी में, वो नहीं मिलेगा शायद, पता नहीं. बट लेट्स सी दी 17, चलो ये 20 कर देंगे, 25 पॉइंट्स. You can try a scalping trade below that, scalping trade only. Okay, so which basically means that you, if you have some profits in 2-3 points, आप book कर सकते हो. Okay, sir, all positions exit only 16,000 PE holding. Okay, 16,000, sorry, 36,500 is going to be beautiful support. 36,500 is going to be beautiful support, guys, in Bank Nifty. This 36,500 is going to be a huge support. This zone, this particular zone is going to be very good support, huge support. And on the upside, 37,000 is the resistance. 37,000 is the resistance with a small hurdle at, there is no hurdle, I would say. 37,000 and 36,500, right? Yep, 36,700 break करने के बाद, if it breaks 36,700, there are chances that it might come down to 36,600. So there are chances. So 80 to 100 points नीचे देने के chances तो है. So if it breaks 36,700, there are few chances for it to fall down by another 80 to 90, 80 to 100 points, something like this. Okay, ये तो trend line दिख रहा मुझे. Okay. So there are chances for it to come down here in case if it breaks 36,700. Okay. तो ब्रेक करना है, right? But if you personally ask me, ये तो इतना ऊपर गया, I don't want to take risk of taking a call. कॉल साइड में बैठने के लिए थोड़ा सोचूंगा मैं. अभी तो इतना ऊपर गया, बट आई डोंट वांट टू टेक दैट चांस. हो सकता है कि नेक्स्ट रेसिस्टेंस इज एट 37,000 के आसपास है, बट मैं तो रिस्क नहीं लेना चाहिए. I will not be interested in taking a put option, sorry, call option now. इतना ऊपर जाने के बाद रिस्क ही होगा. देखते, let's see. I'm still waiting, guys. Wait for the positions to activate, and then we'll see. Okay. Scalping trade, guys. Remember, just a scalping trade. Don't wait for the target के लिए मत wait करना. ये तो स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड है, आपको प्रॉफिट मिले तो एक बुक एंड एग्जिट और ट्रेल करते चलो, एटलीस्ट टू डू समथिंग ऑन दैट. कुछ तो कर लो, बिकॉज इट कुड नॉट सस्टेन अबाउ 16,600 के ऊपर सस्टेन नहीं हो रहा, एंड हियर 16,700 के ऊपर सस्टेन करने के लिए थोड़ा सोच रहा है. सो लेट्स सी. Okay, check it out, guys. Check it out. Just a scalping trade. here scalping trade only. फिर से बता रहा हूँ मैं, scalping trade only. Don't take risk. Okay. चलो बुक कर लो भाई. Book your profits if you are already holding it. बुक कर लो भाई, प्लीज बुक कर लो. ये भी डन चुका है. Mostly I am expecting this. Once it breaks this line, हो सकता है कि this can take a support or this can take a bottom support here. Okay, this can happen. Anything can happen. I-72 होगा टारगेट. चलो बुक कर लो भाई. डोंट होल्ड इट. आई एम टेलिंग यू अगेन, बुक इट प्लीज बुक इट. ये तो दिस इज जस्ट अ very small trade, scalping trade. Book it. Somewhere around 20 points मिला, so that's fine. 20 points भी चलेगा. Book it. We'll take another trade below this somewhere. Don't take fresh entry now. So on the call side, there will be fresh entry only around this zone. Once it breaks today's high, तब लेने के लिए सोचेंगे. But तब तक I don't see a new entry in Bank Nifty or Nifty. Probably. Okay. Let's see there. Okay. Look at the volatility, man. Look at the volatility in the market since at every consolidation it was eating premiums. At every consolidation, it's not good. Did anyone see this pattern in the morning? Did anyone see this? But I will not tell you. What is this, guys? If someone is learning, they should have caught this pattern in the morning itself. Do you see something here? Just joined waiting for a new trade. Aniket. Okay. Morning तो कुछ नहीं लिया क्या आप? Is anyone able to find out what kind of pattern it is? Should be easy I guess. Should be easy. No, double bottom SP. What? I didn't expect this from SP. This is the inverse head and shoulder. इनवर्स हेड एंड शोल्डर है भाई. एसपी में सोचा कि अच्छा एनालिसिस करेगा बोल के. डबल बॉटम कहाँ दिख रहा है आपको? डबल बॉटम इज नॉट दिस इज नॉट अ डबल बॉटम. When you see a higher head pattern with a smaller right and left shoulders, it's always a head and shoulder, right? Remember that. So when you see always again second information, right? What is the first one that I told you? One, when you see sideways market opening, this is going to be dangerous. It can shoot up after coming down, or it can go up and come down. Remember, that is one psychology. Secondly, any price action pattern, when any price action pattern that you see in the morning before 10 o'clock, is a strong pattern. Any pattern, any price action pattern that you see in the morning, it could be a double bottom, it could be double top, it could be head and shoulder, or anything for that matter. Anything that you see is a very, very strong one, especially when it is a sideways market. Okay, remember that. So remember, these two are important lessons that you get to learn today. आज तो ये सीख लो भाई, ये दोनों. Remember this. Sideways market, price action pattern in the morning itself. Okay. और एक स्कैल्पिंग ट्राई कर सकते हैं भाई. इसमें गैप तो दिख रहा मुझे, शायद थोड़ा गैप दिख रहा मुझे. हो सकता है कि ये गैप तो फिल करेगा. Yeah, there are chances for it to come down a little bit and fill this gap. Unless if there is a gap on top. I don't think there is a gap on top. Left shoulder low was broken. I mean, that is the head and shoulder, right? The left one should be broken, right? I mean, that should be broken. When you see left one, ये वाला बोल रहे हैं ना आप? This one. So this is basically, one left shoulder, right shoulder, and the head. So I was expecting this, basically something like this. उसके बाद once this is broken, boom. But I know, okay, you're talking about this side. Then I looked for a 3-touch pattern here. I posted it on Telegram also. 3-touch pattern. Then it was actually 3-touch pattern. Then I was able to give you, I told you guys, I posted it on Telegram and paid group में भी दिया मैं. I gave it on premium group as well. That you can take an entry on the call side here बोल के. So if this is going up, or even if you were to book some profits, or if you were to enter around the zone, you should have been getting somewhere around 120 140 points मिल रहा है इसमें, even after the breakout. See, ये तो छोड़ दो, okay, even if you are not taking an entry, छोड़ दो, but you are able to get somewhere around 140 points here, right? Easy. So even that is a good enough for you to get some profits. उसके बाद you must have seen something like this here. This is also another pattern. I must tell you this. This is not a exact head and shoulder, but yeah, this can also be considered. This can also be considered as a breakout situation, and then boom. Okay. Along and the 3-touch double what? Double bottom for the confirmation. Okay, okay. That's nice. Okay, did anyone take this trade, guys? Scalping trade तो दिया मैं. Nifty, Bank Nifty दोनों में दिया. Did anyone take this? Did anyone take this scalping trade? 60, but how many points did we get here? How many points we got here? We got only some 45 points. Chalega, that's okay. Scalping trade में 45 points is very big. Very big. Okay. Strike price बता दो ना न्यू ट्रेड के लिए. Strike price आप see Aniket bhai, आप you have to choose the strike price by yourself according to your own capital. Whatever is your capital, based on that, if you think you can take 30, for example, if I give you a put option around 36,700, you can take 36,800 put or 36,900 put depending on your capital and depending on how much is the stop loss. Okay, if you think your capital does not support so much of stop loss, avoid karna hai, right? If you think your capital can support so much of stop loss, and then you can take it, anything which is of your choice, right? Okay, so we'll have to have a fresh entry only here, only about, oh sorry, I think I'll have to enter here, right here. And stop loss तो बड़ा है, बढ़ के जा रहा भाई. 8065, come on man. This is not looking good. All right, let's see. ये टच करके नीचे आएगा क्या? How many of you think that ये तो टच करके नीचे आएगा बोल के? How many of you think? देखता हूँ. Let's see how many points it is. How many points of difference between these two bars? Somewhere 85 points, man. 85 points है तो अच्छा है. That's a good one. Those who want, they can still take a one more scalping trade. One more scalping trade ले सकते हो आप. With 30 points of SL, with 30 points of SL, you can take an entry here. You can take an entry here with the 30 points of SL. खाली प्रीमियम खाएगा शायद अभी. मुझे ऐसे ही लग नीचे आएगा. आने दो. Let's see. Let it come. We are fine, even if it comes. एंट्री नहीं हुआ भाई, नो एंट्री येट. Come on, do something bank nifty. Nifty क्या कर रहा है भाई? Nifty is still sideways. Nifty is completely sideways guys. Look at this. This is not actually going anywhere. This is just playing between these points. Somewhere around 31 points. Maximum 31 points it is playing with. Since how long? It has been playing since 1 o'clock almost. 2 o'clock, 1 hour हुआ भाई. It's only playing between 30 points. Let's see here बनेगा शायद. If it breaks on the downside here, we'll take another scalping trade. ठीक है. We'll take another scalping trade there. कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. If it is not going up or coming down, we can't do anything, right? When it is sideways, हम खाली बैठ के देखना है. I mean, if you guys have some stocks that you are holding, you can let me know. We can see how they can be taken. I think entry थोड़ा बढ़ेगा शायद. I think we can take an entry here also now. Scalping trade है वो, चलेगा. स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड के लिए अगेन मौका मिलेगा शायद. चेक कर लो भाई. इफ यू आर एबल टू, छोटा स्टॉप लॉस के साथ, प्रॉब्ली 10 पॉइंट्स ऑफ स्टॉप लॉस and 15 points of target. Okay, you can try this if you want. Only below this, it's at the trend line exactly, trying to take a rejection from the trend line, and which is a superb pattern on the upside also. On the upside also, it's a very good pattern. So if this is breaking on the upside, guys, look at this. If it is breaking on the upside also, we might see some movement up to today's high. There are possibilities. So we shall plot on the upside also, probably somewhere here. We'll plot it for today's high. इसके लिए प्लॉट करेंगे एंड स्टॉप लॉस तो इधर तक रहेगा. ओके, whatever it is, whatever breaks, we are fine on the put side or call side. We'll play on the both sides, man. क्या होगा? अगेन आई टेल यू गाइस, ये तो स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड है. डोंट वेट फॉर द टारगेट्स. टारगेट्स के लिए मत वेट करना. इफ यू सी सम प्रॉफिट्स आफ्टर टेकिंग अ ट्रेड, इफ यू सी सम प्रॉफिट्स, बुक एंड एग्जिट. ये तो पूरा स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड चल रहा है भाई. मॉर्निंग में इसमें भी बोला, टेलीग्राम में भी अपडेट किया कि टुडे इट इज गोइंग टू बी स्कैल्पिंग मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स, बिकॉज इट कम्स डाउन गोस अप, कम्स डाउन गोस अप. नॉट अ गुड मूव. When it is range bound, it is hard to trade in one direction most of the times. This will be after the breakout, guys. It has to break this trend line. It has to give us a breakout above the trend line. Then it will be an entry for us. Otherwise, no entry. Sorry. It has to give us a breakout. Okay. Otherwise it can touch this trend line and can come down here. This can be something like this, right? So Don't be get trapped by that. Sir, for tomorrow expiry 3800 call buy 6 lots and 37,200, 37,300, 37,400 CE short. Short with 2 lots, 2, 37,200, 37,300. For tomorrow expiry, right? You can actually short 37,200 चलेगा. 6 lots sell कर लो. 300 400 क्यों? 37,200 भी चलेगा. 37,200 6 slots आप sell कर सकते चाहिए तो. You don't need to have another hedge position or another sell strike price. नहीं चाहिए आपको. Please do like and subscribe. Oh my goodness, this is good. Guys, please do like and subscribe. Bank Nifty. Let's take it only once it activates above. Until then, we will stick to this trade. Scalping trade. Some okay. ये तो break करने दो भाई. I think it will have a good moment on the downside if it breaks on the downside. ठीक है, मिलेगा शायद. Okay, let's wait. मैं तो wait कर रहा हूँ. Let's wait. It's very small stop loss, guys. 25 points of stop loss. I can even reduce the stop loss. चाहिए तो I can reduce it to 20 points. Okay, 20 points of SL. That's the maximum stop loss. And target is around somewhere around at least कम से कम, if it breaks this zone, at least we should see 650 target here. So something like 50-60 points, right? 50-60 points का target मिलना चाहिए. Is anyone interested? Is anyone interested in taking that trade? कोई interest है क्या इसमें? I am still holding with this stop loss. 20 points of SL is fine, I would say. 20 points of SL is still fine, guys. 20 points of SL should be fine. See, look at this. 36,700 isn't broken properly at all. It came down, but suddenly shot up. Look at this. Do something बैंक निफ्टी ए एक्टिवेट नहीं हुआ, छोड़ दो। ये भी स्कैल्पिंग के लिए ले सकते हो आप। दिस कैन बी अ डबल टॉप, दिस कैन बी अ डबल टॉप गाइस, रिमेंबर दिस कैन बी डबल टॉप। ओके चलो ट्रेल इट गाइस, ट्रेल इट नाउ, ट्रेल इट एंड बुक इट। चाहिए तो ट्रेल इट एंड बुक इट, ट्रेल इट नाउ, ट्रेल इट गाइस, ट्रेल इट, प्लीज ट्रेल इट, ट्रेल इट। Range PE rating aggressive, 36 300 600. Yeah, that's fine. See, you must remember that PE is only an indicative number. Sorry, open interest is only an indicative number. Does not mean that every time, wherever there is a open interest, that does not get broken. Yes, there are situations where open interest, though open interest is high, that strike price will also be broken. Okay, so remember that. So, but yes, open interest is an indication. I understand. It's an indication. But it is not the only criteria for you to decide a moment. There are other things. Okay, they can be news based. It can be price action. It can be lot of patterns that you see. For example, you saw something like this. There is a M pattern here or a double top here. So it came down. So something like this, you might see some indications. So based on that, you may have to decide along with data. Of course, data bhi dekhna hai, open interest bhi dekhna hai. I understand. So that is also important, but we should actually um, confirm with two more points. For example, if you are looking at data, look at another confirmation also. Probably look at some price action, or look at maybe a news, look at some kind of results, or it could be some event. So something like that. Correlate the data with whatever is going on. So that would be better approach for us to gain good profits most of the times. Okay, so 'चलो those who are holding please book it guys, those who are holding please book it. कोई बात नहीं, that's okay. कुछ तो मिला, फर्स्ट टारगेट डन, ए टारगेट तो डन। 83 पॉइंट्स ऑफ टारगेट दिया हमें, 83 पॉइंट्स ऑफ टारगेट। इतना साइडवेज मार्केट में 83 पॉइंट्स ऑफ टारगेट इज ऑल्सो गुड। 50 पॉइंट्स तो मिला भाई, 50 पॉइंट्स डन, 50 पॉइंट्स तो मिला। सो चेक इट आउट, चेक इट आउट गाइस। सेवेंटी पॉइंट्स बुक किया, फिर से एंट्री करूँ क्या? नहीं नहीं नहीं, इफ यू हैव बुक्ड अनिकेत भाई छोड़ दो। दूसरा, वेन देयर इज अ न्यू एंट्री तब ले लो। ओके, फिर से बोले तो चलो अनिकेत भाई, फिर से बोले तो इफ इट कम्स, फॉर एग्जांपल ये तो इफ इट कम्स हियर एंड ट्राइज वन रिजेक्शन, आप ले सकते हो अगेन। ओके, बट इफ देर इज नो रिजेक्शन, आप नहीं लेना है भाई प्लीज। इफ इट इज गिविंग यू ब्रेकआउट, नहीं लेना है इधर, डोंट ट्राई दिस। हो सकता है कि इट कैन गिव अस अ ब्रेकआउट अबव, so that's the reason, wait for this, and if it does not give you breakout, it takes a rejection, and then you can take an entry. चाहिए तो see, it is not sustaining below 36,700 के नीचे sustain नहीं हो रहा भाई most of the times. Look at this, it is not sustaining at all. वी आर, दैट इज वाई मैं तो क्या बोला भाई, खाली स्कैल्पिंग कर लो बोल के। इवन इफ यू आर गेटिंग सम 10 पॉइंट्स, 15 पॉइंट्स, 5 पॉइंट्स भी चलेगा, राइट। नो, इट हैज नॉट टेकन ए रिजेक्शन, डोंट टेक एन एंट्री। पुट भी स्टार्ट करूँ सर, एडजिंग के, ओके कर लो, चाहिए तो कर लो भाई। आप एग्जैक्ट एसएल नहीं फॉलो करते भाई, मैं क्या बोलूँ जी भी। सी व्हाट इज आवर साइकोलॉजी इज, हर ट्रेड में वी वांट टू हैव सम प्रॉफिट्स, दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क। एवरी ट्रेड में इफ यू वांट टू हैव प्रॉफिट्स, दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क। वी विल ओनली एंड अप इन लॉसेस एवरी टाइम। एवरी ट्रेड प्रॉफिट नहीं देता, रिमेंबर दैट। डोंट टेक कॉल्स, नो कॉल्स, नो कॉल्स, डोंट टेक कॉल्स गाइस। टुमारो मुझे लग रहा है कि गैप डाउन ओपन होगा शायद। एक हीरो जीरो लेते क्या, हीरो जीरो लेते क्या? इफ समवन वांट्स टू टेक हीरो जीरो वाला, मैं देता हूँ मैं, चाहिए तो। ओके, हीरो जीरो वाला, लेट्स सी। हीरो जीरो वाला, राइट। रिस्क रिस्क कहाँ रहेगा? चलो एक मिनट, देख रहा हूँ मैं। हीरो जीरो कहाँ दिखेगा आपको? वन सेकेंड गाइस, वन सेकेंड। सो 36,500 होगा, ओके। 36,500 पुट ट्राई कर सकते हो भाई, हीरो जीरो के लिए। 36,500 पुट यू कैन ट्राई हीरो जीरो। इट्स अराउंड 110 रुपीज, इट्स अराउंड 110 रुपीज, ओके। येलो लाइन क्या है? ये तो फर्स्ट टारगेट, फर्स्ट टारगेट बोल के लिखा, दिस इज द फर्स्ट टारगेट, येलो लाइन, ओके। इतना बड़ा टारगेट लेते क्या भाई? ले लो, वन सिट, यप, ले लेंगे लेंगे लेंगे, हम लेंगे भाई, चलो। कम ऑन मैन, स्टॉप लॉस तो बड़ा दिख रहा भाई, कहाँ से लेता हूँ? नहीं, छोड़ दो भाई, छोड़ दो। रिस्की वालों के लिए रिस्की ले सकते, सेफ ट्रेडर्स अवॉइड दिस ट्रेड। ये तो स्टॉप लॉस तो बड़ा दिख रहा मुझे, ह्यूज स्टॉप लॉस, ह्यूज स्टॉप लॉस, ह्यूज स्टॉप लॉस। रिस्की ले सकते हैं इसके ऊपर, यू कैन ट्राई रिस्की ट्रेडर्स, प्लीज ट्राई इट अबाउ दिस, ट्राई इट अबाउ दिस। सेफ traders avoid this trade, please avoid. Stop loss is very huge, stop loss is very huge, stop loss will be somewhere here. 84 points of stop loss. Risk and reward ratio are not working good, risk and reward ratio are not working good, okay. स्ट्रीम में डिले बहुत ज़्यादा है, 12 to 13 सेकंड्स का है। नो हीरो जीरो, 12 to 13 seconds के होगा. I think it is about 1 second. I'll tell you. नहीं 8 seconds का डिले चल रहा क्योंकि आई इंक्रीज द रेजोल्यूशन इंक्रीज किया मैं, इसीलिए आपका डी के सॉरी नॉट डी के डिले दिखेगा इसमें. whenever you increase the resolution on the streaming side, the delay in the streaming will increase. Okay, so if I make it as ultra low latency, it will be faster by by 2-3 seconds maximum. But क्या बोलते ये तो रेजोल्यूशन तो कम दिखेगा आपको. So that's why. Right, so when you see, okay, I'll tell you this logic here. So if you want to watch it at a higher resolution, probably 1080p for example, okay, if you are watching a stream in a 1080p, your delay will be high. So I reduced it to have maximum 8 seconds. 8 seconds is the maximum delay that you see in my stream. But when I reduce the resolution to probably 420p or so, okay, then this delay will reduce to 2 seconds or 3 seconds. This is there. Okay, so this is the basic difference. Okay, so please do like and subscribe. Guys. If you are watching the stream for the first time, please do subscribe. Okay, right. From the trend line, it is trying to reject. निकालेंगे इसको. Let's look at this. Okay, let's still wait guys. Without this confirmation, no entry. But if there is a rejection from this trend line, हम call side betting. If you see a rejection from here, for example, ये तो ऊपर जा रहा ना. If there is a rejection from this trend line or from this black line, we'll take an entry. Okay, if there is a rejection only, okay, if there is no rejection, हम नहीं लेंगे. 480 भी कर दो चलेगा. नहीं भाई, if I do it कर सकते हो, but your क्या बोलते, your screen may not look so good. But yeah, try करता हूँ. Next tomorrow I'll reduce the screen resolution to probably 480 or so. Then you should be able to see. Okay, output. Okay, please do like and subscribe guys. At least 20 likes तो बना दो भाई. This is not good. 18 people watching. Please do like and subscribe. Uh, 1 second guys, you're calling me during market hours. क्या कर रहा है भाई? This is also sideways here. चलो देखेंगे. कल क्या करेगा हम? हाय मोहित, हाय 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 हाय, वेलकम वेलकम. कॉल करने वाले ने सुन लिया होगा स्ट्रीम में. हो सकता है भाई. Guys, I understand. Okay, let me tell you again upfront, guys. Those who want to join the premium group, please call me only after market hours. Okay, after our NSE hours, after 3:30 calls कर सकते हो, or you can ping me on WhatsApp also. Okay, during this market hours, it will be risky, or it will not be good for me to take or handle calls now. Okay, so please understand. Please understand. Okay. Your view अभी तो sideways बालाजी. Sideways, sideways, sideways. See, data के साथ, if you actually ask me about the data, 37,000 is going to be huge resistance, 36,500 is going to be a huge support. So between these two zones it can be volatile. Okay, and in Nifty it has to break 590 zone. If it breaks, then you might see some more downward momentum here. Okay, so until then, don't expect anything to happen. It is completely sideways. Okay, you might see some sudden movements up and down, but it is not for a long position. Okay, can go for CE sell. Yes, you can sell 37,000 call sell कर सकते if you want. Those who want can sell 37,000 CE can be sold, guys. Okay. Let's see some stocks, guys. Let's see some stocks. 36 sell can go. No, 36 200 risky. It is risky, Balaji. 36 200 is risky. Try something out of the money. When it is sideways, I think one movement will come. Suddenly, it is around 2:30, right? It's already 2:30. Okay, let's see, guys. Look at this very slow momentum. Very slow momentum. See, when you see, look at the previous ones. Okay, let's look at this. Let's look at this. Okay, see, when you see some consolidation like this, a consolidation zone, right? Something like this, and you see some consolidation here. You see some consolidation here. So there can be one sudden movement on the upside or downside which you don't even expect. झटके से मारेगा ऊपर और नीचे. You don't even get to take an entry also sometimes. So that's how it is going to be. And moreover, I am looking at few stocks, guys. Stocks may I am looking at one stock, India Mart. India Mart is one thing that I am looking at since morning. Morning se dekh raha hu. So probably if it is giving me one breakout, I would probably enter into call side most of the times because it is giving me a head and shoulder pattern also. Okay, it is giving me head and shoulder pattern also. So I would be interested in taking a call option if it gives me a breakout on 4107. Okay, I would be interested in taking a call option for August. Okay, so that is one I would like to look at. This is coming up for a breakout. If it is giving you breakout, I think we'll have our target today itself. आज ही मिलेगा target शायद. And moreover, positionally ICICI Bank, guys, ICICI Bank can be taken as a positional trade. Positional trade के लिए ICICI Bank ले सकते हो आप. So hold it for few days. Hold it for few days. ICICI Bank में you might get some good momentum. Okay. ICICI Bank. Hold it for few days. And those who did not join our Telegram channel, the link is in the description, guys. You can also join the Telegram channel. Okay. Still waiting. No, not active. Most probably on a higher time frame, it is the double top, sorry, double bottom. Look at this. Wait for the activation, guys. No entries. You're not taking an entry without an activation. Sorry. This is not the time to take an entry. I would be interested in ICICI Bank for a short term. Can we short? Yes, you can short 37,000. You can short. This is going below 16,600, guys. BTST, I'll tell you, guys. I'll tell you. Remember this. Remember this. Okay. For BTST. For BTST. Okay. Now, if you actually look at multiple times, it is trying to form higher highs and W patterns here, right? And then double top, double bottom here, a slanting double bottom, okay, and another retest here, correct? So most of the times, wherever you see, it is touch basing most of the important levels on top, right? So this is a very good situation where you can take a put side option with a 1 second BTST. सो BTST अभी भी ले सकते हो भाई, ले सकते हो आप. सो पुट साइड आप बनने का चांसेस है भाई, पुट साइड बनने का चांसेस है BTST में. तो निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी किसमें चलेगा? इसमें बैंक निफ्टी तो अच्छा चल रहा, बैंक निफ्टी में भी ले सकते हो आप. सो 36,500 पे ट्राई कर सकते हैं BTST एंड हीरो ज़ीरो, दोनों के लिए ट्राई कर सकते, एंड विथ अ स्मॉलर स्टॉप लॉस ऑन टॉप इन इसमें. सी, look at this, your stop loss is only today's high, which is around 36,782 के आसपास. That is your stop loss, right? You can take your 36,500 put ले सकते हो and hold it for tomorrow, or if you are getting some 50 points today, you can exit. Otherwise, you can still hold BTST के लिए. Most of the times, you see, for from every top it is taking a rejection. From every top it went, this was the latest high, rejection, this was the latest high, rejection, this was the latest high, rejection, latest high is rejection, correct? Most of the times, though it is a head and shoulder pattern, reverse head and shoulder pattern जैसे दिख रहा मुझे, but every time it is taking a rejection. But I'm sure it comes here, takes a rejection, comes here, takes a rejection. So whenever you see multiple rejections, so there are high probabilities that it can come down at least to give you 50 to 100 points, minimum 50 to 100 points. So आप 36,500 put try कर सकते हो, I would say. 36,500 में तो I gave you before itself when it was around 110 rupees. If you actually remember, I gave you this at 110 rupees itself. पता नहीं अभी कैसे चल रहा, I don't know what is the price. 36,500 इज एट 120. सो 10 पॉइंट्स प्रॉफिट में ही चल रहा, अभी भी प्रॉफिट में चल रहा, राइट? यू स्टिल इन प्रॉफिट गाइस. 37,000, राइट, ओके. 37,000 तो बता दिया भाई, स्टार्ट कर सकते हो आप. ओके. Last 40 minutes. $88. I'm saying only positionally शॉर्ट कर लो 37,000 शॉर्ट कर सकते हो आप, पुट साइड में नहीं, शॉर्ट कर सकते हो भाई आप। एक बार ऑटो सेक्टर भी चेक कर लेंगे भाई। ऑटो सेक्टर में मारुति कैसे चल रहा, हाउ इज इट गोइंग? मारुति तो ऊपर जाने का कोशिश कर रहा है अभी। ओके ओके, चलने दो देखते। 795, 800 तो जाने का चांसेस तो है भाई। ओह, थोड़ा वेट करना है शायद। रंजित Ranjit wants to buy Thanla, that's good one, but एक बार देखता हूँ मैं। I would say I think I should। डे में क्या दिख रहा मुझे? ओके, सपोर्ट के आसपास है, कैन बाई एंड विद अ स्टॉप लॉस, अ स्मॉलर स्टॉप लॉस अराउंड 510 के आसपास, दैट शुड बी गुड इनफ। ओके, चेक कर लो ट्रेंड लाइन के साथ, ट्रेंड लाइन के साथ। दिस इज व्हाट आई वाज टेलिंग यू, इफ यू रिमेंबर। ये तो ऊपर नीचे जा रहा, सो इट इज गोइंग टू बी रिस्की फॉर यू टू टेक एन एंट्री मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स। ओके, it can become a risky trade sometimes। okay, mm, last 25 minutes, 25 minutes, 25 minutes। This is trading with it, with this trend line guys, trading with the trend line, trading with the trend line। so I don't think ये तो बाई साइड बनेगा अभी। निफ्टी क्या गया भाई, क्या 637, 30 पॉइंट्स ऊपर गया इसके ऊपर, बट हो सकता है कि दिस इज स्टिल विद इन दी ट्रेंड लाइन जोन। चलो कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं। बैंक निफ्टी sluggish। ओके, लेट्स सी, लेट्स वेट, वेट करेंगे भाई। कुछ भी नहीं होगा शायद, अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा, इट इज कंप्लीटली साइडवेज। कल के लिए आई एम स्टिल लुकिंग फॉर अ BTST ट्रेड, BTST हीरो जीरो के लिए। इफ समवन वांट्स 36,500 ले सकते हो, होल्ड कर लो। सो बाई 320 325 तक मैं और BTST अपडेट कर लूँगा, ठीक है। आई विल अपडेट 320 325 के आसपास, आई विल अपडेट BTST, ओके। ट्राई अपडेटिंग दैट। I'm still going to watch on Maruti. Maruti seems to be doing good. Okay. Maruti has taken a very good support, very good support. So इसलिए I will try waiting. I will try waiting on that for some time. Once I get a very good support, I will probably enter into Maruti. Once it breaks this one 1887 108, once it breaks this, I will probably enter Maruti. Keep this in your watch list also, guys. Keep this in your watch list. If it breaks, we can still take a Maruti call option. Okay, Maruti call option would be good on that. IRCTC CE for BTST. IRCTC कैसे चल रहा है? IRCTC. Yeah, looks good. IRCTC looking good, guys. I don't have an issue. I don't see an issue. Okay, this is looking good. IRCTC and positionally, and moreover, it has taken a good support here, so that should be fine. IRCTC चलेगा शायद 30-45 मिनट्स में देखेंगे कुछ दिख रहा है. This one, yeah, BTST चलेगा इसमें. You can try, guys. I'm only eyeing Maruti, man. Still eyeing Maruti. I'm still looking at Maruti. I would look at this. I would look at this breakout here. Still looking at the breakout. So my BTST would be mostly in stocks. Index may I am not really looking at stocks now. Sorry, index. BTST Nifty बैंक निफ्टी में I am not looking good. So stocks में देखने का मौका मिलेगा शायद. I would look at stocks. Okay. Anyone holding any positions, guys? बता दो. Just let me know. If someone is holding any positions. Uh, 15 more minutes. Let's see. Taken IRCTC 600 call लिया क्या आप? Okay. I am looking at little lower, little out of the call in August. So for a positional trade, basically. That is what I was looking at IRCTC. But that's okay. 600 भी चलेगा. 600 call is also fine. 600 call is also fine. Because most of the times, if you actually look at, as I said again, most of the times it is trying to make higher highs, but it isn't sustaining anywhere. It is trying to fall down most of the times. So इसीलिए I wouldn't be interested in holding on to anything for BTST. BTST में if something goes wrong overnight, it can fire down completely. It can fire down anything. Head and shoulder. What head and shoulder? Okay, this one. I think you are looking at this. I know. I think you are looking at this. This one, right? This is mostly a double bottom than a head and shoulder. This is most likely a, you know, this is most likely a double bottom than a W pattern. Okay, but if you actually say it's a head and shoulder, it is not a proper head and shoulder. Head and shoulder में W pattern नहीं बनेगा. Look at this. And that is not a proper one. But yeah, see, overnight कुछ भी हो सकता है. It can be anything. It can be on the downside or upside. Hope we get good volumes in IRCTC to support. Yeah, if it is a gap up, tomorrow IRCTC में भी मिलेगा आपको अच्छा. I'm sure you'll get something in IRCTC even if it opens a gap up. What a volatile momentum, man. Hope we get good volumes. Mostly I will be interested in buying put for BTST, man. Mostly I will be interested in buying put than call. But personally मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं ले रहा हूँ. I'm not taking anything for tomorrow due to Fed meeting and news के साथ. I don't want to trade. So that can be risky. So I don't want to take any trades. This is going risky, doing risky. डेटा क्या बोल रहा है भाई? डेटा कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहा है भाई. डेटा तो अभी सी व्हेन आई से ओवरनाइट कुछ भी हो सकता है. इट कैन डेटा डज नॉट मैटर. Data does not matter when it is overnight position. Overnight, if news goes wrong, tomorrow whatever the data shows, it will be completely reversed. Okay, so don't go by the data for BTSTs. Sometimes it works, sometimes it does not work. So let's not take data here. फायदा नहीं है. Looks like call unwinding. Oh, IRCTC कॉल अनवाइंडिंग है तो आप प्रॉफिट में होंगे, राइट? आर यू वरीड? प्रॉफिट में होंगे. Hmm, 600 600 is fine. Okay, IRCTC 600 चलेगा. That should be fine. That should be okay. शॉर्ट किया है. क्या शॉर्ट किया? What did you short, guys? 24. Markets are going to close in 3-4 minutes. 33, 37,000. Okay. Yep, चलेगा. 37,000 के ऊपर चलेगा. Yes, you can short. You can short any of them above 37,000. You can short anything above 37,000. 37,000 के ऊपर you can short anything, guys. I am fine if you want to short. So चलो BTST guys, paid group guys, wait for it. I'll give you quickly one BTST के लिए देख रहा हूँ मैं आपके लिए. चलो okay, paid group guys, check your WhatsApp for BTST. Okay, ओके सो पेड ग्रुप का सिक्योर व्हाट्सएप पोस्ट किया मैं कुछ okay last 2 minutes guys BTST I will be interested in put side guys I am not taking calls I am not even taking puts but मैं तो I will be interested in put side क्योंकि most of the times there seems to be a pressure on top and moreover there will be a fear of Fed meeting so it can be anything remember that so it can be anything last minute guys last minute I would be again interested on the put side for tomorrow at least for BTST के लिए okay I have taken few positions along with the hedge positions के साथ में put लिया कल के लिए but देखता हूँ हो सकता है कि it can turn out to be super good or super loss it can be anything so I am kind of still waiting okay chalo markets closed guys okay so let's analyze tomorrow's market guys for us let's look at what is happening on a daily time frame I'll tell you how this is going to be right most of the times okay when you see something like this okay when it is actually trying to trade here and it has taken a rejection look at this exactly from here it has taken a rejection here right ये तो ऊपर जाने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा came down and trying to go up right so now if there is a buy position it will only be above this 36,900 के ऊपर मिलेगा but otherwise until then there will not be a position for you to buy or sit on the buy side because it is not a proper confirmation at all ये तो proper confirmation नहीं है हो सकता है कि see when you go into somewhere around 4-hour time frame you would see that this can also be a bull trap I'm not saying ये तो bull trap है बोल के but there are possibilities वो बोल रहा हूँ so tomorrow if it closes and moreover there is a 3 touch pattern that this is my favorite wala and then and this is touched already this particular trade has given me the profits here okay and touched this pattern completely correct now once this is touched my take would be either it has to look at this either it has to from here it has to take a reversal okay and take another bounce here or it can still go up okay can still go up come down take a retest then go up so there are 3 possibilities here so when you look at these things then only we'll be on a bullish front until then I wouldn't be interested in buying anything for us so you'll have to wait for tomorrow's market if it is coming down हो सकता है कि थगड़े से नीचे मारेगा so it is not a proper way to take an entry for us but let's see tomorrow क्या होगा बोल के ठीक है So thank you so much guys for joining, and let's see tomorrow क्या बनेगा. ठीक है. Bye guys. Thank you so much. Please do like and subscribe.